Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to stop Instagram story sharing to Facebook. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook or Instagram application. Let me just change to my connected Instagram account. So as you can see in my story section, I'm heading over there. And if I just click any picture and try to post it, there is an option and tap on the arrow right here. And here go to sharing options. So as you can see, share your story to Facebook as loading with audience set as friends. You can change your sharing settings in Account Center and your audience on Facebook. So head over to Account Center. So once you do that, as you can see, my automatically share on your Instagram story is turned off. So if you have it turned on, just turn it off. So yeah, this is how you can just stop Instagram story sharing to Facebook. Hope this video helps, and we will see you in the next video.